My name is Rose Morris, and I am the founder of the Scribal Rose. Welcome. Regardless of how you found your way here, maybe you're like so many authors, just starting out, not sure where to begin. That's where I come in. At the Scribal Rose, we are passionate about helping you bring your story to life. On this channel, you'll find content about why your story matters, how to navigate publishing platforms, editing, design, marketing, and so much more. Your words have power, so we're here to make sure those words reach the world. For me, I began my writing journey quite a number of years ago. In fact, I was about 10 years old when I picked up my first pen and started writing my first short story. And it was that moment that a love of books just was born in my heart, and I wanted to share my stories with the world. The problem was I didn't know how to do that. I had no idea what it took to get my story from inside of my mind to the page and then release it so that other people could read it. And so along the way, I started teaching myself everything that I could. And with lots of trials and error, I eventually figured out lots of different tips and tricks along the way. But then I started to think, when I was starting out my writing journey, wouldn't it have been nice to have someone kind of take me along the journey and guide me? And so that is where I came up with the idea for the Scribal Rose. I was just a writer that wanted to help other writers, other authors achieve their publishing dreams. And that is why I'm offering this to you. So if you are in that place, you just love words, or maybe you have a story, a testimony that you've never shared with anyone, I want to be that friend who walks alongside you and kind of points you along the road. I can't promise that I have all the answers, but I do guarantee you that by the end of this, you're going to discover a lot more about yourself and your gifting than you knew than when you began. And so if this is of interest to you, please check out my channel. Please reach out to me. My email is melodicsub@gmail.com, melodicsub@gmail.com, or check out my Facebook page, The Scribal Rose, and see what we offer. Get in touch, and I hope to hear from you soon. So let's start this journey together. Bye for now.